Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you're not familiar with 80eighty, they give away cars like the one behind me, except they are usually highly modified, which eventually will be behind me. I have a lot to install on my car. I just want to show you, I love their clothing. I love what they're about. They do tons of giveaways. This has come in handy a lot. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just like to show you what I buy because I am a car guy. Their headlight comes in handy, goes on your head. It also has the charging, and it has a bunch of clips to hang this somehow. I'm not quite sure, or hang stuff from it. But I absolutely love this thing. I've used it a bunch already, so I kind of unboxed it early and made use of it. And yeah, totally worth the money for this. Comes in handy, especially if you leave it in your car. It's compact, it doesn't take up a lot of room. Then their shirts, they also give you their 80eighty stickers, which I'm not putting on this car, sorry, just not gonna happen. But you also get entered in a giveaway, like I said, to win an expensive car like the one behind me, except it's usually like more expensive than the one I have. You know, all the American Pride, but it's all the tools. Then I have a whole nother box of clothing because, well, you can't be a car guy without just wearing car clothing. Not all the time, but I do have quite a bit. And again, each box comes with like the 80eighty decal. I'm just gonna put it on my garage wall in the inside like I do everything else. The receipt, the packaging, the 80eighty hat. Hopefully this doesn't blow away on me. It's kind of windy out, so I apologize for the wind. Their 80eighty hat, adjustable strap on, adjustable on the back. Not a big hat guy, but I actually kind of like the hat, so I said why not. Then you have their car here. Hard to see, but it is definitely black on black. It is their giveaway shirt, like their car giveaway was the Lamborghini. So I know I got a lot of black shirts. I didn't like all their other options per se, or I just like the colors. And then definitely gonna wear this around when I get it modified, because I definitely need money for car parts. Everybody always does if you're a car guy or girl. Don't want to, you know, leave out women. There are women out there that are car girls. And then you have right there, my wife will find this one funny. I love my wife. I love it when my wife buys me car parts. And my wife has bought me car parts a few times over the years. She bought the wide body kit for my 370Z. And then my favorite, which is the main reason why I got the order, is their hoodie. Very soft, very comfortable. 80eighty is a bit pricey, but you know, how else do they afford to pay for the car? So apologize for all the sirens in the background. No, they're not for me. I mean, then again, you never know. They also came with an 80eighty sticker as well. So tell me what you think. I'm going to show you the car real quick, just because I'm sure you want to see that as well. Let's take you up and take you around the car real quick. It is a bit dirty. I did wash it the other day, but it sits underneath the tree, so it gets a bunch of pollen and watermarks and that. I went with the black wheels, yellow calipers. It's zinc gray. Those of you that asked, it is the Lotus V6. I did do the factory privacy tint, because how do you tint aftermarket? You know, how do you tint aftermarket when it's right above a V6 motor? All of this is going to be carbon fiber. I've got stuff for that, and you can see stuff gets into the area because of the gapping, because of the vents and the gapping, and the glass allows for it. And then you got back around, and then the interior. I did get the ice gray interior. I did already ceramic coat it. Full car is full PPF to include the front glass, which has saved me already, the PPF. There's on my trip to Florida, there's some rock chips there. So, and then dog hair. It's not gonna be perfect, it's not pristine. It is a driver's car. It even says it on the key for the driver. But, and then, you know, the brake dust from, you can see where I washed and missed it because, you know, the rotors were, I mean, the wheels were in the way of the rotors. But, what do you think? And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And then comment on whatever videos, you know, check these videos out and comment below what you think of the car. And take care. Bye.